Today, we will be reviewing the Versa air sprayer. Let's start by opening its box. Let's unzip the pouch and look inside. The sprayer is secured by elastics. It is quite light for its size. There's a selector at the bottom to adjust airflow. It is on once you press the trigger. Manual is packed on the other side of the pouch. Let's check out the rest. You get 3 empty paint bottles and caps. Then you have a USB charging cable. There's also a bag of bearings to help you mix paint. Finally, there are the nozzles. They come nicely packed in 4 sizes. It is time to try it out at our painting booth. I will be using water-based paint, so the pressure needs to go up a bit. I will start with a 0.5mm nozzle. Just take one out and connect it with the bottle. Then I slide it into the sprayer. It sprays real smooth. I will go ahead and cover this plane in metallic silver. It is best to paint it in 2 to 3 coats. I will first spray the first coat on. Now I will fill up the thinner spots to make it even. Short strokes are easier to control, and it avoids getting overspray. Looks like it is good for now. I will now set it aside to dry out. Let's get the next job done with a different color and smaller nozzle. The blue tip is 0.3mm. Switching colors is really easy, no rinse and clean like other airbrushes. The smaller nozzle keeps the paint from getting too wet and runs down the surface. The metallic silver is looking good on the P51, but an extra coat will make it even better. To avoid covering the details, I have switched to 0.3 millimeters for the second coat. Just do it all over again. Ready for the drying booth. I really like the big plastic trigger, which is more comfy to use, especially for a big job. Didn't get to try out all nozzle sizes, but the ones I have tried have been great. You can probably paint thin lines with a 0.2 millimeters and coat large areas with a 0.8 millimeters. Overall, pretty impressed with the Versa sprayer. I will definitely keep my set for airbrushing. Bye for now.